Scott Grove here. I got a tip for you how to make your utility knives last longer. So as some of you might know that I prefer using just these extendable utility knives that break away for cutting veneer. I like the fact that I can extend them so I can line them up with a nice straight edge. Also, the little breakaway blades are great because you can always snap one off and get a sharp tip. So, how do you make them last longer? Well, most of the blades on the market have these little breakaway tabs. I would say that's probably, I don't know, 3/8 of an inch, something like that. What's that, 9 millimeters? So, I found ones that break away every, say, 3 millimeters. So you get twice as many snaps, twice as many sharp points, and that's it. Simple tip. The company is, it's Hardened Tools. I'll put a link down below. It'll go directly to the website. I don't think these are available on Amazon, but I'll do some searching for that. But yeah, these are great. Love them. And I get twice as much for the same price. Hope that helps. Happy veneering. Thanks for watching. And remember to sign up, like, share, comment, all the above. Okay, bye.